Hello and welcome to Quasi's Bell Tower with your host, Quasi. And today we're going to be opening up the January RPG Crate of 2018. By the time you guys see this, it will probably be the last day of January. But anyways, first off, let's start off with the t-shirt here. This is the Gelatinous Cube. I hope this shirt glows in the dark because that would be badass. I love the color to it. I love the artwork to it. That is awesome. So let's get opening this crate and see what it's all about. This RPG Crate presents Just Called Dungeons this month, January 2018. And I gotta find out about this t-shirt first. The best part is he cleans up after himself. That's awesome. No, it is not a glow-in-the-dark t-shirt. At least it doesn't say it is. I really wish it was, though. So we'll get back to this in a minute. First, let's get to our miniature. This, wow. I can't think of the name of these creatures. Looks like there's going to be some assembly to them. But these are supposed to be those little mushroom people. There's looks like one. And there's another one. I know you guys can't see this. I will put images of them up. And then it looks like we have like the main one. I don't know if that's like the little king or chieftain of the clan, but he'll probably have this little mushroom on his head. And I'll show you the background artwork to it too. I can't think of the name of these guys right now, but I'll put a picture of this up too so you guys can see that artwork. So then we have Dungeonmorphs dice adventure set, inspired by the classic dungeon. Ooh, oh wow! This is like it's like a dungeon inside the dice. That's cool. Let me check these out, and I will definitely put a picture of these guys up if I can. Yeah, they're like sections of maps that you would use on like graph paper and stuff that you could design. It looks like maybe you can roll one out and that's what your dungeon looks like. Maybe there's 5 of them. 5 nice, decent sized square dice. The detail on them is, I'm gonna have to show these. Like I said, show them to you because the detail on these are really, really nice. Those are really cool. I'll check that out later. Okay, so next, oh, I got 2 cards here. Dungeon Bites, Bits, and Other Things. Glutinous Cube, but this is the crunch. Yeah, it looks like an ingredient for it again, which looks really interesting. And then there is some kind of quest that actually is a dungeon too, small little one. So maybe I'll show those up to you guys close to in a picture because you can barely see these. And then we have another one called Slime Pit Munch. And that is another ingredient one again, how to make it and everything else. And then there is a nice little map on the back. But I will show a close-up of these because these are really nice, guys. Okay, so next we have, it looks like our Adventures on the Open Road. Adventures on the Open Road! Okay, we have some quest here. And I know I'm going to pronounce this wrong because I have the hardest time pronouncing words or doing the punctuate or the, you know what I'm saying, guys. Levantan Lake Tower. It's like Levantan Lake Tower. I know I'm pronouncing that wrong, but whatever. But there's that. It's got a nice little map on the back. Okay, the next one is Ancient Crypts. Another nice little map, and that one's on the front. And then you've got the 4 corners. Sorry about that, guys. That was my message from the wife. 4 corners map, and there's another one there. And like I said, these are all about dungeons. So now let's see what we got next. Next here we have a book from Frog God Games again. Dungeons of Doom. The Pyramid of Jungle Rooms. And looks like we got about 2 nice adventures in here. So those look really nice. There's some artwork right there. Little map. Some more artwork and another map. I'd show you more, but I can see that my battery is dying on my recording device. And then next we got the pick and pluck, so that's it. So let's go over everything that's in there as I drop everything. We've got the t-shirt, the Dungeonmorph dice. Just when you thought these dice couldn't get any more random, 5 random dungeon generating dice. The Dragon Foam, the premium medals from Effin Cool Miniatures, the Dungeons of Doom book, which is 2-in-1 adventures, the recipes for adventure, and the adventures on the open road, which I showed you those ones too. I really like this one. They finally went with a dungeon. Okay, lady, you gotta wait. I'm recording here. But I really like this one. I really like this shirt. I really hope it glows in the dark, even though it doesn't say it does. These dice are really cool. I'll have to check them out and check out more of it. I really like this one. I really like the miniatures. I'm going to give this one, because it doesn't have any bookmarks in it. Yay! I'm going to give this one an A. I'll give it a, you know what? Yeah, I'll give it a solid A. Almost an A+. So that's it, guys. So please, subscribe, like, share, click that notification button, do all that stuff. Just make sure you do one thing: ring that like button like a hunchback. And until next time.